So I finished the yellow bomber jacket. I'll make a video of it a bit later. Um, so today I just want to quickly search the edges of this linen fabric because I want to give it a wash and then in some warm water and give it a good tumble dry. And then I want to start making the safari shirts for the summer so that I can stock up a bit and start selling. So what I'll do is I just want to search the edges quickly so that they don't fray when you put it in the washing. Yeah, we're moving into winter now, and I think we're going to have a early winter because it's actually only autumn, almost late towards the end of autumn. So I think it's going to be quite a cold winter maybe, but we'll see. And then after this, as I said, I'll give it a wash and then start making those shirts. I have one, the hoodie, the bomber jacket took me longer because I had to do lots of other work. So I'm not changing the color thread on the machine because I'm going to, in any case, at the end of the day, after I wash it, I just cut it and that's it. And there's only two sides. I'm not sure how many meters I bought. I think I bought 10 meters of this. But that's enough to make a few shirts, and I'll see how they turn out. And then I'm going to do a few different styles of safari shirts with the brown. And then hopefully in the summer, I'll have enough stock to make a few sales. So we'll see. Maybe it will be a good thing. Yeah, I'll make a video on the bomber jacket. It turned out fine, I think. The batting that I used for the lining was a bit too thick, but it doesn't matter. I'll sell the jacket and then go and get some thinner batting. Maybe I'll put some toweling inside with the lining or something like that. But in any case, I think it turned out fine. I love this brown. This is a lovely chocolate brown. I usually use the Rami linen for the safari shirts because it's nice and light. But the other day I made one with the old polyester type material. I'm not sure what they call it. Even the place where I bought it didn't know what it was, but it looked like the old safari polyester type types of material, textile. So I think maybe I will make a few of them as well, if I can, if the supplier can tell me exactly what it's made of. Because this Rami linen that I use, it's 70% cotton and 30% Rami, which is actually the ideal um, uh, composition for the cloth. So I will see. Yeah. Okay. So let me wash this and then we'll iron it and then start the cutting.